In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your account and learning plan in Target. The Target Manager is your entry point to the Target platform. It allows you to manage your Target account, which includes logging in, your profile, and your learning plan. Launching the Target Manager activates the initial welcome screen. Click Enter Now. In the login window is where you input your username and password. If this is your first time using the Target platform, click Create Account. The Create Account option presents entry fields for registering a new user account. Enter a username and a password of your choice and click Create Account. Once again, enter your username and password and click Sign In. In the Profile tag, once logged in, you are asked to fill in your user profile. Items marked with an asterisk are mandatory. Items in red will be visible to other users. Next to the profile is the Learning Plan tag. Now I'm going to help you to create your learning plan. A learning plan is a list of stories for you to play. When you first click the tab Learning Plan, it will be empty. Click on the plus sign, which is on the bottom left of the screen, to activate a pop-up window to create a learning plan. You can enter any name as your learning plan name. You are then asked to choose a learning strategy. There are two learning strategies to choose from: community-generated knowledge. This uses expert-defined learning plans as a starting point to be tailored to a particular user. And competence-based knowledge space theory. This generates learning plans by examining the relations between a user's competences and those they wish to acquire, or target competences. After you have chosen your learning strategy, click OK, and the Target Manager will open the Competence Analyzer. The Competence Analyzer allows you to define your current competences and your target competences. The Target platform will then generate a story for you to play based on your competence gap. You can create your user competence profile and target competence profile by dragging and dropping competences from the competence list on the top left to the necessary boxes. Competences appear as red circles with numbers. To change the competence number or proficiency level, right-click on the circle to activate a pop-up menu. You can select your proficiency level using the slide bar, where 0 means none and 3 means high. For example, you could drag and drop the competence Negotiation into your user competence profile and select level 0. Then you could drag and drop Negotiation into your target competence profile and select level 3. This would indicate that currently you have no competence in negotiation, but for your target you are aiming to have a very high competence. Once you have finished defining your user competence profile and target competence profile, click Save Profiles at the bottom of the screen to store your created profiles. You will now be directed back to the Target Manager, where the system has generated a story for you to play based on your competence gap. Returning to your learning plan, you will now see that there is a story ready for you to play. The next story that you will play is shown in red. Once you play a story, this shows up in the list in black so that you can analyze your performance again. Click the story title to find out more about the story. Click the play button to start to play the story. Each time you play a story, it is saved as an experience in your learning plan. At any time you can refresh information in the Target Manager via the arrows icon at the bottom left of the screen. You can see information about the story by clicking on the Info button.